Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can schedule a transfer in your Commbank account. So once you're logged into your account, up here in the middle where it says transfers and BPays, you're going to click on transfer. Now once this page here loads, you need to click on the account you want that to come from. So we're going to just click on our regular income and bills. Now from here you're going to click on the to option and then you're going to add in an account. So whether you want to use an existing account or if you want to add it new, just click on add new, enter the details. For us, we're just going to use our first option, which is the previous bill that we've paid in the past. And then from here, it says now, later, or reoccurring. So we're going to click on reoccurring, fill in all of these details. Over here is where you get to select an end date. So if you want to do this weekly, you can set this up weekly, fortnightly, monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, etc. You just need the amount that needs to be transferred each week, month, etc. Click next and then you would save that, and that is all. If you found this helpful, make sure you like and subscribe.